ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ವಿಜಯ್ ಕುಮಾರ್. ನಾನು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ 5th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ BBA ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾಲಯದ 5ನೇ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ನ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಂಬ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಯೂನಿಟ್ 7ನೇ ಸೆಷನ್ನ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಯೂನಿಟ್ 1 ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್, ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಮೊದಲು ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆರ್ the set of business system is the combination of policies, personal equipment and computer facilities to coordinate the activities of a business organizations. That means business system is the combination of the policies, personals, equipment and computers facilities to coordinate the activities of the business organization is called as business system. Next, let us understand meaning of business information system. Business information systems. Business information systems are set of interrelated procedures using IT infrastructure in a business enterprise to generate and disseminate desired informations is called as business informations. Andre business information are the set of interrelated procedures with the help of IT facilities, IT infrastructure in the organizations for the purpose of generating and disseminating of the desired informations for the all the levels of organization is called as business information system. Okay, right. Next, let us understand objectives of business information systems. The following are the objectives of business information systems. 1. To establish the most desirable distributions of data services and equipment throughout the organizations. That means it is going to establishing the most desirable distribution systems of what data distribution services and equipment across the organizations. Next one is to handle data effectively and provide timely information to the management. That means the objectives of business information is to handling of data very effectively and offering of the required informations to the management on time. Next is to meet the user and customers cost and savings. The objectives of business information is to meet the user and customers cost and savings. That means the objectives of business information is the needs of the customers, the needs of the organizations will going to meet by way of reducing of the cost and savings of the organizations. Next one is to cut down the operating cost and savings. The another objectives of business information is to cut down the operating cost. That what are the costs which is incurred in the organizations for the operations, to cutting down of that operational cost and encouraging of the savings in the organizations. Next is to eliminate duplicated, conflicting and unnecessary services. That means the another objectives of business information systems are to eliminating of duplications, to eliminating of conflictings, to eliminating of unnecessary services in the organizations. Next is to define a proper method of handling business activities. The business objective is okay. The business information systems objective is to defining the proper methods to handling the business activities of the organizations. These are all the objectives of business information systems. Thank you.